1978 Chevy El Camino 350 engine. What we done on it for you guys today is we ran 2.5-inch true duals all the way back. Right there with high flow caps. Right there and right there. Then FLOWMASTER 40 series, you can see in the description where to get those. If you want to purchase some, then 2.5 tailpipes right there and right there into flat tips that you can see in the description also. Right there, if you want to purchase them. That's how it looks. Absolutely magnificent in this coronavirus time of, you know, or we don't want to say corona, seed time. Right there. Oh, so much better. This is their granddad's 10-year project. They got to do to it. Still clean though. They've been working on it for 10 years.